Welcome inside a marvel of modern engineering and food production. It all begins here with mountains of fresh, raw cassava roots. Speed and efficiency are key as the roots start their journey.
Powerful jets strip away the earth, leaving only the best behind.
Thorough washing ensures every single root is perfectly pristine. Now spotless, these roots are ready for the next crucial step.
Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tasty recipes.
Advanced peelers remove the skins with incredible speed and precision. Pure white cassava emerges, stripped clean and ready for processing. Quality control is automatic as the roots march forward in line. Precision blades chop the roots into uniform chunks in seconds. Heavy grinders pulverize the chunks into a fine, wet mash. Deep inside, we unlock the valuable starch from the fiber. This nutrient-rich slurry is the liquid gold of the process. Centrifuges spin at high speeds to separate starch from fiber. The fiber is separated and removed, leaving only pure starch. The starch milk settles here, waiting for the final refinement. Hydrocyclones purify the liquid, ensuring absolutely zero impurities remain. Concentrated and clean, the starch milk flows toward the dryer. We remove the water, leaving behind a solid starch cake. Precision blades harvest the starch cake for the drying phase. The starch is broken down, ready to face the heat. Enter the flash dryer, a massive tower of hot air. Inside, the moisture evaporates instantly in a whirlwind of heat. Dry, fluffy cassava flour rains down, perfectly processed and pure. Look at that texture, it is as soft as fresh snow. Sifting guarantees that every grain is perfectly uniform and smooth.
Robots take samples to ensure quality meets our high standards.
Magnets remove even the tiniest impurities for total safety.
The packaging hall is a symphony of speed and automation.
Bags are filled to the exact weight with incredible speed. Sealed tight to lock in freshness for the long journey. Heavy lifting is no problem for these powerful robotic arms. Perfect stacking ensures stability and safety during global shipping. Wrapped securely, these pallets are ready for the world. Off to the warehouse, where thousands of tons await shipment. This massive facility stores enough flour to feed millions. Loading up the trucks, bringing this product to your market. Sealed and secured, the shipment begins its long journey. From this state-of-the-art facility, we reach every corner of the globe. Our logistics network spans continents, delivering quality everywhere. For home bakers, we have these vibrant retail-size packs. Formed, filled, and sealed in the blink of an eye.
Each bag is handled gently to preserve the perfect shape.
Laser precision marks every bag with freshness dates. Automation packs the boxes faster than any human hand could. Sealed up and ready for the grocery store shelves. The boxes race toward the final staging area. Robots build the pallets, getting them ready for distribution.
Smart robots navigate the warehouse floor with total autonomy.
Efficiency and technology drive every step of our process.
Our inventory is stocked and ready for immediate dispatch.
Final checks ensure every order is perfect before leaving. The trucks roll out, carrying the finest cassava flour. Across the oceans, we deliver to ports around the world. Through complex logistics, the flour finds its way to you. Arriving in your city, fresh and ready for baking. Finally, the product arrives at your local supermarket. Stocked on the shelves, waiting for you to discover it. Look for the gluten-free label for a healthier choice.
A beautiful display of options for every kind of baker.
Affordable quality right at your fingertips. Let's take a trip down the baking aisle.
It is easy to find exactly what you need here.
Grab a bag and get ready to create something delicious.
Almost time to head home and start the cooking.
Checked out and ready for your kitchen adventure. Packed up and heading to the most important place, home.
Let's get this home and see what we can make.
Welcome to the kitchen, where the real magic happens.
I am so excited to show you what this flour can do.
Let's open it up. Look how fine this texture is. It pours beautifully, just like traditional wheat flour.
Precision is key. One level cup is all we need.
Simple ingredients for a breakfast you will never forget.
Whisk it up. It blends so easily without any lumps. Look at that consistency. Smooth, creamy, and golden.
Onto the griddle. Watch how it sizzles and sets.
Those bubbles mean it is time to get ready to flip. And flip! Look at that perfect golden brown color. Warm syrup and melting butter. Does it get any better?
Fluffy, light, and absolutely delicious. You have to try this.
Now, let's switch gears to something savory and comforting.
We make a simple slurry to thicken our soup perfectly.
Pour it in and watch the magic happen instantly. See that? Rich, glossy, and perfectly thickened in seconds.
Looks like we have a hungry helper joining us now.
Coating chicken for the ultimate crispy fried texture. Into the hot oil. Listen to that incredible sizzle. The cassava flour creates a crust that is unmatched.
We can hardly wait. It smells absolutely amazing in here.
It really does. Look at that steam!
Golden perfection, crispy on the outside, juicy inside.
A gluten-free feast that everyone will want to dive into. Listen to that crunch, and look how juicy it is.
Even veggies taste better with this light, crispy batter.
Time for dessert. Let's bake some chewy chocolate chip cookies. Watch them rise and turn golden in the oven. Fresh out of the oven, nothing beats that smell. Crusty on the outside, soft and airy on the inside.
Look at that spring. No dense heavy gluten-free bread here.
Brazilian cheese bread, cheesy, stretchy, and addictive. Sharing good food makes every moment better.
Pizza night, cassava flour makes the perfect crispy crust.
Hot, bubbling, and ready to slice. Look at that crust. The ultimate comfort food, made healthier and tastier.
One bag of flour, endless delicious possibilities for your kitchen.
Transform your cooking today with premium cassava flour.
Bye!
Bye!
Thanks for watching. We will see you in the next video.
Healthy, versatile, and perfect for every lifestyle diet.
Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tasty recipes.
From the earth to your table. Pure quality, every time.